everyone. In our last video we discussed about the mean. Mean indicate the average value in data, and today I am going to start the other measure of the central tendency, that is median. So today we will discuss regarding the median. Median is the middlemost value that will divide the number of observation in the data into two equal parts. That will divide the number of observation into two equal parts. So this is the value that indicate that half of the data lies above that value and half of the data lies below that values, and median always denoted by m. So today we are going to discuss regarding the calculation of the median. First I am going to start with the individual series. So now we are going to start the individual series. Suppose we have the data like 158, 167, 143, 169, 172, 146 and 151. So we have the raw data. Now our first step is we have to arrange this data in ascending order or according to their size. So 143, 146, next will be 151, 158, 167, 169 and 172. Now you have to apply the formula. The formula is n plus 1 tooth observation. N plus 1 to observation. Okay, you have to remember we have to apply this formula only when the observation or the values are in the odd number. How you can specify the odd number? Like calculate the all values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have the values in the odd number, and this is the formula we used when the observations are in the odd number. So total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 2 observation. So it is 4. It doesn't mean 4 is our median. Fourth observation. Now you have to find out which is the fourth observation in the values. This is our fourth observation. So median is 158. So directly looking at the data, you can find out your answer. Like 158 is the middlemost value that is dividing the whole observation into two parts. Okay, but you need to apply this formula when the observations are in the odd manner. See when the observations are in the even manner. Okay, just look at the picture. What we have done, we applied this formula in the individual series for the raw data, and the formula is n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. Okay, so we took all the observation divided by 2. The answer is the fourth observation. The fourth observation is the 158 that divide the data into two equal parts. So now we will calculate the median for the even data. So I am taking the same values but just increasing the one more value to make it even. So here you can see there is no one value that can divide the data into two equal halves, because in the center there are the two values. So we will apply the formula for the even data, that is n by tooth plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So n by 2 we already calculated, that is the fourth observation. Total observations are 8. 8 divided by 2, that is the fourth observation. Then again fourth observation plus 1, that is the fifth observation divided by 2. Now there is no need to do the summation of fourth and fifth. We have to put up the values. Fourth observation is the 158 and fifth observation is the 167 divided by 2. It is 325. So our median will be 162.5. This is the value that lies in the middle of these two values, 162.5. So this is our median for the even data. Again, you have to look at the picture. I am going to explain it again. When the data is in the even manner, we will apply this formula, that is the ny2th observation plus ny2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So here we are taking the fourth and fifth observation, then put the values of those observations and then calculate. It is 162.5. So 162.5 is our median value. So this is the formula for the even data, but we can go directly without considering the formula. Like we can take two middle values. Just simply we will take 158 plus 167 divided by 2. The answer will be same without applying the formula. So today we calculate the median for the individual series when the data is in the odd manner or in the even manner. So this is the end of the today's class.